Maya here. Today we are having a special activity which is at the Redwoods area in the Crystal Isles. So the area is around the northwest area of the map. It's around latitude 30 and longitude 30 around this area. There is a cave over here. This is the place where you can find a lot of bears. So today we are going on a bear hunt. And currently my friend is trying to lure a bear from the cave. As you can see, there is a trap here. It was already there, so we are just going to make use of this trap. From here you can see that it's actually a 2 by 3 foundation with all surrounded by the wall, the doorways. You can actually make it a bit bigger if you want, but the doorway is placed there to prevent the bear from coming in, and the bear from coming out. Sorry. And you can see there is actually a slope at the side. The slope is the walkway for the bears to actually run into the trap, and once they're in the trap they will be stuck because they are too small to leave the doorway. As you can see, there is already another bear here, which we have just tamed. So now my friend is going into the cave to try and get another bear. And we can see from this cave there's actually a lot of beehives around, and this will be also the area that we are going to get the taming product, which is honey. One thing about this trap that was built here, it was not built by us, it was already here, so we're just going to use it. But it will be better if you can actually get another slope here, so that when the bears runs in, it will be easier to get inside the trap. And so now we just have to wait for the bear to drop into the trap. Okay, as you can see, my friend is out of the cave and he's standing on top of the slope of the trap. So, and there's a bear behind him. So what he's going to do is going to lure the bear into the trap. And I think he's trying to shoot the bear so that the bear will get angry and just follow him. So now the bear has been aggro and he's in the trap. Okay, let's see now what we're going to do. We are going to tranquilize it. So let's see what we need to tranquilize the bear with a tranquilizing dart and a rifle. And I'm a bit stuck. Okay, let's see. I have my tranquilizing dart, which with a long net rifle. So I'm going to help my friend with the shooting as well. So let's see. Okay, where is it? Where did he go? Okay, I think he's trying to get another bear or something. So I'm going to just shoot it. Okay, where is the bear? So this is how you're going to do it. You're just going to shoot it until it faints. Because the bear is too big for the doorway, you get stuck in the trap. But to make this trap a bit more foolproof, I would suggest that you actually build a level 2, which is a 2 level of the doorway, in case the bear accidentally spring out of the trap. Because there is a chance that when there's a small bug or lag, it may happens. But since this is actually built by some other tribes, we're just going to make use of it at the moment, and hopefully we can duck this bear down soon enough. Here I'm basically shooting through the doorway so that I can reach the bear inside. I can see the bear is actually trying to escape from the outside instead of coming closer to try and attack me, because it means that it's actually going to faint very soon. So depending on the level of the bear, the amount of darts that you need is actually different as well. So just have to keep on shooting and try to shoot as close to the head as possible. But you know it's not easy because we are actually on the cliffside and there's this bear is not very cooperative. He's facing the outside. So it's like I'm just like giving him some injection. Tranquilizing injection. Oh dear, he looks so fierce. Why the bear looks so fierce? Why looks so fierce? See how many dots do I have left? Okay, still have enough to last for a while. The bear looks scary. I want a gentle bear. I don't want a scary bear. The bear is still awake. Why is the bear still awake? I'm actually quite scared that the bear will break through the walls of the building and come springing out on me. But it seems that it's slowing down a bit. Is it going to faint soon? Just trying to give it a few more shots. This is still energetic. Good. Can I have your hit here? Thank you. Time for injection. Look at the amount of dots on the bears. So I do a close up. And there's a bee here. Let's hope the bee don't attack me. Hope the bee don't notice me. So okay, I think there was a lag somewhere. Okay, and the bear is down. Okay, now I'm going to check on the bear's food level. As you can see, it's actually 9,000. I'm going to check on the Doodle Decks. You can actually find this app from the App Store, or you can get it from the webpage itself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to key in the maximum food level and the current food level to see how long I have to let the bear starve before I start feeding them the honey. So from what I see for a timer, it will take around 36 minutes for the bear to start feeding the bear. So what we need to do is we have to wait. And of course, I actually put a narcotic here just in case the bear decides to wake up earlier. But from what I read for Doodle Deck, it says actually 50. It'll take around 50 minutes for it to wake. And let's check on the other bear that we have. As you can see, the torpidity level is actually getting lower. Because once it reaches 0, means the bear will actually wake. I'm going to check on this one and see when do we need to feed it as well. Okay, so for this bear, I'll be feeding it in around 6 minutes time, so we can go and hunt for the honey in the cave in about 5 minutes. So I think I'll just give it a bit of drug to drug him. Okay, now we are in the cave. We are getting ready to hunt some honey to feed our bears. So we are going to attack the beehive later. Oh my! Yeah, look like my teammate is already attacking. So I'll be the. Oh my gosh, got attacked by bears. Okay, that's a lot of bears and bees. One thing about when you are attacking a beehive, the bees will come and attack you as well. And they will attack the rider. So you must be careful. That's why we are actually taming the bear in twos. So let's see, can we start working now? What is he doing? Yeah, I think we're going to have some. Okay, he's trying to kill the bears. Oh, I think he's trying to kill my teammate here is trying to kill the bear so that he can. Just later he's going to attack the beehive, but he's without the mount, without the weapon. So he'll be attacking physically to get the bee. So we must make sure that there is no other enemies. So now he's not without the mount, and he's going to take the honey. So okay, let's see, the bees are coming. A lot of bees coming. Oh yeah, just going to wait for him to attack the beehive, and later the bees will start coming out. Okay, count the bees. See, this is what happened when. Ouch. This is what happened when the bees attack you. So I'm just going to lure the bees out. The bees are coming. Let's get out of the cave. Oh dear. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, do you have enough? Okay, the bees coming. I'm just going to blow. Burn it. This is the Game of Thrones. This is the Game of Thrones. Okay. Oh, one more. Okay. Go away. Okay, that's all bees. Okay. So let's see. Is there any bee? Okay, now is there any honey here? Oh, he actually got a set somewhere. You can see my friend here is actually putting honey inside. One day, why do we need to hunt the honey when the bear is starving? Because if we hunt it too early, the honey will actually decay, because honey tends to decay very fast. So what shall we name this bear? Let's call it Weenie. Okay, let's check. I'm going to check on this the other bear. Let's see what is I'll take the narcotic out, the Weenie first. Oh, I think my friend took it. So let's see how long do we need for this one to starve. So it seems that we need to get more honey for this one as well. Okay, now he's attacking the beehive, and I shall look out for the bees. And hopefully, oh, that was fast. Seems that most of the bees have been taken out by us, I guess. So let's see. And we have another female. Okay. Okay, now we need to cry on this. Okay, I'm gonna cry on this. And the two bears. Oh dear, it's following my friend. Oh my god, what was that? And that's all for today for our bear hunt. So see you again in our next video. Bye bye. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna have a good one. What a beautiful day. We're not afraid.